The Watchmaker's shop. A street in our town has a queer little shop, with tumble-down walls and a thatch on the top, and all the wee windows with crookedy panes are shining and winking with watches and chains. All sorts and all sizes in silver and gold, and brass ones and tin ones, and new ones and old. And clocks for the kitchen, and clocks for the hall, high ones and low ones, and wag at the wall. The watchmaker sits on a long-legged seat and bids you the time of the day when you meet. And round and about him there is tickety-tock, from the tiniest watch to the grandfather clock. I wonder he doesn't get tired of the chime, and all the clocks ticking and telling the time. But there he goes winding, lest any should stop, this little old man in the watchmaker's shop.